Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to enable camera effects on WhatsApp, updated for the latest version. Whether you love adding a creative touch to your photos or simply want to spice up your chats, turning on camera effects is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're running the latest update from your App Store, so you don't miss out on the newest features. On the main screen, tap the three dots in the top corner if you're on Android, or head straight to the Settings tab if you're using iPhone. Once you're in, tap on Settings. This is where all your key preferences live, from account details to chat customization. Now, look for the Privacy section. This is the area that controls permissions and visibility, giving you control over how WhatsApp interacts with your device features. Inside Privacy, scroll down until you see an option labeled Allow Camera Effects. This feature lets you apply filters, stickers, lighting adjustments, and even real-time AR effects directly within the WhatsApp camera. It's a great way to personalize your photos and videos before sending them. To activate it, simply toggle on the switch next to Allow Camera Effects. Once you turn it on, you'll notice new camera tools appear when you open the camera inside a chat or status update. Try experimenting with them. Maybe add a soft glow, a fun sticker, or a themed filter before sending your next photo. It's all built right in. If you ever want to go back to the regular camera mode, just repeat these steps and toggle the option off again. No extra downloads or permissions are needed beyond this setting. That's all it takes to enable camera effects on WhatsApp. Quick, simple, and perfect for adding some personality to your messages. Now you're ready to create photos and videos that stand out every time you chat. Thanks for watching.